Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send dogs from Telegram wallet to Binance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Telegram wallet and make sure you have made your wallet. Here, scroll down and select dogs from the list. Now, tap on Send and on this page tap on External Wallet. Here, you have to enter the dog's wallet address from Binance. So, go ahead and open the Binance app on your mobile device. After that, tap on Wallets tab in the bottom right. Then tap on Add Funds and on this page select Deposit Crypto. Now, search for dogs and select the first result. Then select Ton Coin for the network. Both the memo and address are required to successfully deposit your dogs to Binance, so keep that in mind. After selecting network, the wallet address and memo will appear on your screen. As my account is not verified, that's why it is not showing, but in your case, both will show here. I'm using screenshot of that just to show you. You just have to copy them from here, and then go back to Telegram wallet. Here, paste the address and memo. Once you do that, on the next page you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer. After that, your dogs will be sent to Binance. So that's basically how you can send dogs from Telegram wallet to Binance. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.